Guys, I got these new lights on the boat, and I'm just dying to check them out. So we're gonna come out here tonight. Hopefully this evening will be productive, but worst case scenario, we'll get to check out what these lights look like after dark. Guys, you ever been driving down the road, having a phone conversation with a buddy, headed to the lake, and you had intentions on going to one particular boat ramp, and you get distracted and kind of forget where you were going? That's what happened to me today. A friend of mine called me up, thanks Larry, and I really like coming to this particular area, but one of the reasons I don't is because I have a hard time getting bait. Well, y'all, I came to the wrong boat ramp. Decided to fish here anyway. Thought I'd just spend a little extra time finding bait. On the fourth throw, I netted a bunch of gizzard shad, really nice sized gizzard shad. So we in the business, y'all. Getting out here kind of early today, and I'm in an area that I wanted to fish the other day, didn't get to, so I'm marking some fish on the graph. I don't know if it's catfish, but I think I'm gonna drag this little spot before it gets dark, and then once I don't know, once it gets a little bit later in the evening, I'm gonna set up over a hole. But I want to test out these lights, y'all. I got some new 24 volt, they're called COB Dotless LED lights, and y'all, I'm telling you, they are bright. They are super bright. They're 24 volt. Changed my system over, got a couple of other lights, and realized that I could work with a 24 volt system. So we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens today. But I'm really pumped about the bait I got. I know there's fish in this area. I don't know exactly what they are, but I know that there's catfish that live here. So anyway, hopefully we'll see some fish in this video. If not, we'll see the lights here in a little bit. So y'all stay tuned. What's up, little raccoons? Taking a little dip, getting a little drink of water. Got me a net slap full of that right there, y'all. Perfect size gizzard shad. I'm gonna run a couple of these live here in a bit, but a couple of them, I'm gonna drop some big baits. I'm trying to catch big fish, so I want big baits. This bait right here will make easily 3. Yes, sir. Ooh. He might break one. Oh my gosh, this thing is freaking still wound up. Let me tell you, I'll tell you how much he weighs here. 1 second.
Like he ought to weigh 21 pounds just listening to it.
He's 17. I told you there wasn't nothing to it. It's about the same size as that fish I caught the other night. Might be the same one.
You might well contest.
Yes, right. Blue cat with a mouth barely big enough to eat the bait ate my live gizzard. That dang gizzard shad was half as long as he was. Got him a little leech right on the bottom of his mouth. Look at the mouth. I mean, gizzard shad was probably that long, and that little bitty catfish ate him. Go get big, buddy. I like your appetite. don't know how he got the hook. Don't know how he got the hook. That was a big piece of bait. It wasn't a big live bait, but it was a big piece of cut bait. And that channel cat managed to get it. Go tell your leader. All right, y'all. Probably can't see me very well right now, but I want to light up these rods for you. Don't know how well it's going to turn out on video, but we'll give it a shot. So we're anchored up on a spot, and here it goes. Boom! I don't know what this looks like on the camera, but guys, that yellow high-vis line is popping. It is very, very well lit in person. I probably need to put some sort of a shield or something to keep the lights from kind of shining back this way, but my plan was to shine it upwards, right? There's fish jumping all over the place. Shine it upwards so I could see the reels, but it is, I mean, it's just crazy how good it lights up that line. I mean, that's it. Guys, in person, it looks legit. Anyway, caught a couple fish this evening. I mean, it is what it is. It's not wasn't a big fish night, but had a good time, and I'm really digging these lights. So as the days start to get shorter and it gets darker sooner, I'll be able to see those fishing lines. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Y'all please subscribe, share the channel with your friends. It's a lot of fun, and I appreciate you guys playing along. Thank you again for the support. Talk to y'all next time. Tight lines.